Welcome to the Science Hub Academy.
Today we are going to study about stomach. Stomach is made up of thick layer of smooth muscles. What are smooth muscles? Smooth muscles are involuntary, not stripped muscles found in the walls of internal organs such as stomach, intestines, blood vessels, urinary bladder, and uterus. They work automatically without conscious control. Key characteristics of smooth muscles. First of all, these muscles are involuntary. You cannot control them consciously. Secondly, these are non-stripped. What does it mean? They have smooth appearance under microscope. Third, slow and steady contractions. These are found in the walls of hollow organs like stomach, intestine, blood vessels, urinary tract, and uterus. Location of stomach in the body. Stomach is located in the upper left side of the abdominal cavity below diaphragm. What is diaphragm? The diaphragm is a large dome-shaped muscular sheet located below your lungs that separates the chest cavity from the abdominal cavity. It is the main muscle used for breathing. Parts of stomach. There are mainly three parts of stomach. The first one is cardiac sphincter. It is present at the junction of esophagus and stomach. Pyloric sphincter. It is present at the junction of stomach and small intestine. And third, gastric glands that secrete gastric juice. Now we are going to discuss these one by one. Cardiac sphincter. It is present at the junction of esophagus and stomach. It controls the regulation of food between esophagus and stomach by preventing the backward flow of food. From where? From stomach to esophagus. Cardiac sphincter is made up of strong ring of muscles. Pyloric sphincter. It is present at the junction of stomach and small intestine. It controls the flow of food from stomach to intestine by preventing the backward flow of food from small intestine to stomach. Pyloric sphincter is also made up of ring of muscles. Gastric glands. These are small glands present inside the walls of stomach and releases gastric juice into the food. Gastric juice is mainly composed of three ingredients: strong HCl, mucus, and pepsinogen. What is pepsinogen? It is inactive form of enzyme. The strong HCl kills the pathogenic bacteria, is that disease causing bacteria, and it is also involved in the activation of pepsinogen. It activates pepsinogen to active form pepsin enzyme. This enzyme breaks down the large chains of proteins into smaller amino acids. In this process, heat is also provided to melt the lipids. Now, what is the function of mucus in the stomach? It forms protective covering on the walls of stomach where strong hydrochloric acid is neutralized. So in this way, pepsinogen is not activated over there. The stomach walls remains undigested. Basically, stomach is involved in two types of digestion. Number one, mechanical digestion, and number two, partial chemical digestion. How will you define mechanical digestion? It is defined as breakdown of food into smaller pieces due to vigorous contractions produced in the walls of stomach. This process is called churning. Partial chemical digestion, how it is defined? It is defined as mixing of gastric juice with food and breakdown of lipids and proteins. Approximately food remains 3 to 4 hours in the stomach. After partial chemical digestion, food becomes soup-like sticky thick material named as chyme. Pyloric sphincter controls the flow of food from stomach to small intestine. So when each time pyloric sphincter opens, it allows 5 to 15 ml of chyme to move towards small intestine.